Hey guys, what's up? It's Kuhub here. Today I'm going to be explaining what the Booking.com partnership is with Crypto.com. I did a poll on this and 40% of you said you don't know what it is and 23% of you said you've heard of it but you're not sure exactly what it is. So this video is for you 63%. So Crypto.com partnered with Booking.com around January 11th as that's when it was announced. So what this partnership means for you is that you can get up to 25% off when shopping with Booking.com inside of the Crypto.com app. Also, what's really cool is that Booking.com will accept your Crypto.com Visa debit card as payment, which means you can get up to 8% cash back on your purchase when using your Crypto.com debit card. I have personally seen issues where people cannot use their Crypto.com debit card due to it being a prepaid debit card, as some places will not accept prepaid cards, but with Booking.com it will be accepted, so that's great news. Alright, so when I first heard about this deal, it did confuse me as I wasn't sure how to access it correctly to get up to the 25% off. And I finally figured it out, and now I'm going to be showing you what this process looks like for anyone who wants to take advantage of this deal. Okay, so go into your Crypto.com app, and on the bottom of it, you will see Home, Accounts, Track, and Card. Click the big CRO logo in the middle between Accounts and Track, then scroll down to the bottom, and you will see the Booking.com section. It will have a sun, beach chair, and beach ball, and it will say up to 25% off. Click on that and it will direct you to the Booking.com website, but it will show you the Crypto.com logo right there, and it will also be fully done through the Crypto.com app. As you can see, it's right here. You can then search for wherever you want to travel and basically go through the regular process of Booking.com for traveling, like check-in and check-out dates and how many people and all of that stuff. Once you click search, it will look for the best deals for you, and it will show the percentage discount you get back on each hotel when using Crypto.com. Okay, I'll show you for example. So I picked how many people, all that. So these discounts right here is from Crypto.com. So 17% discount, 5%, 22%. All of those discounts are offered from Crypto.com. And I have a perfect example of the difference between paying through the Crypto.com in-app and also paying through Booking.com by itself. I chose this Kimpton Surf Comer hotel. It was $868, but obviously I get 22% off with Crypto.com right here. So if we scroll down a bit, we can see the grand total is $915.94. So I decided to go on the regular website and see what the pricing was there. And Kimpton Surf Comer Hotel, it's the same days or whatever, March 9th through 12th, same amount of nights, 3 nights, all of that, standard room. Everything's the same. The only difference is the price. So if I do it through Booking.com, we can see that the price is $1,112.64 compared to it being $915.94. So that is a $196.70 savings. So basically pretty close to $200 savings. And then if you pay with your Crypto.com Visa debit card, then you know, depending which card you have, the Ruby Red, Jade Green, ICY, Obsidian, then you can get an extra, 2%, 3%, 5%, 8% back. Yeah, so that's how you access Booking.com. That's how you get the deals. So if you usually use Booking.com by itself, I highly recommend you to do it this way just because you save so much more money. I mean, $200 is quite a bit. It's definitely worth it to do it through the in-app. If you have any questions about it or anything, just leave them down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more future content like this. I'll see you guys later in my next video.